Hello math fans, test 13, lesson 6. Get your swords and let's go. 3 things to look at today, none of which are new, I don't think. Find the greatest common factor of two numbers, convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions, and explain place value with decimals. And as always, we'll start with number 1, find the GCF of two numbers. So just remember that greatest means largest, common means the same, so when we talk about things we have in common, we mean things that are the same about us, and factor is a number you can multiply to get to an answer. So the GCF, the greatest common factor, is the biggest factor that is the same for both numbers. And I'm just going to let you try one on your own because we've done this before, so pause the video here and try to find the greatest common factor of 25 and 100. So I'm going to make a really quick factor rainbow for both of these. So for 25, I'm going to start with 1 and 25, obviously. 25 can't be divided by 2 because it ends with an odd number. 25 can't be divided by 3. I could check that on my calculator, but I don't need to. Can't be divided by 4, but it can be divided by 5. So those are the factors for 25. For 100, I'm going to start with 1 and 100. Then I'm going to go on to 2 and 50. 3 can't be done, 4 can be done, and that gives me 25. And there's actually more, but I don't really need to do them because I can see that 25 is the biggest factor in this rainbow, and here it is in this one too. So the greatest common factor of 25 and 100 is 25. And hopefully that was just a quick, easy review. If it wasn't, you should probably talk to me and I'll help you with it. So we're going to move on and convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So here we have some pies and it says how many parts are colored. Answer is an improper fraction and a mixed number. I'm going to start with the improper fraction. So I know the denominator tells me how many pieces are in a whole. And in a whole there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whatever my fraction is, it's going to be out of 7. Now I'm just going to switch to another color to make my life easier. And how many pieces are colored in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my improper fraction is 16 out of 7. I have 16 out of 7 pieces. Now, to move on and write that as a mixed number, I have a couple of choices. First of all, I could work with the picture and see how many, move it around and see how many I can make. Much easier way, though, is to realize that there's 7 parts in each whole. 16 are colored in. So how many times can 7 go into 16? Twice. That will give me 14. There will be 2 pieces left over that are colored in. So my mixed number is 2 and 2/7. And if you're not sure about that, you can always go through and draw in the number. But basically all I did is I said, how many times will I be able to color in 7 pieces if I've got 16 of them? I'll be able to do it twice. Okay? So here's another one, and I'd like you to give it a try. How many parts are colored? Answer is an improper fraction and a mixed number. Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out, and when you come back, I'll have the answer for you. So to find this answer, what I'm going to do is start by realizing that there are 1, 2, 3 pieces in a whole, so my improper fraction, the denominator is 3. And now I'm just going to go through and count up how many of them are colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces are colored in. So my improper fraction is 5/3. To write it as a mixed number, how many times will I get 3 pieces with 5? Only once. And there will still be 2 left over. So my mixed number is 1 and 2/3. And again, these are equal. Okay, they're equivalent fractions. So I do have a maths mansion for you, but first we're going to do the review. So your first question is, what is the GCF of 28 and 32? And your second question is, what fraction of pieces are colored in? Answer is a mixed number and an improper fraction. So pause the video here to do the review, and when you come back, I'll send you on to your maths mansion. And our third objective for today is to explain place value with decimals. And we're going to let Maths Mansion do that for us. So you're going to go to www.tinyurl.com/mathsmansion Maths, don't miss the S, mansion, tenths. So go there and watch the Maths Mansion, and you are done. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night.